Ever wish you could snag that big screen TV or restock your entire pantry at Sam's Club without emptying your wallet today? Well, with Affirm, you absolutely can. Let's dive into how this buy now pay later service makes smart shopping at Sam's Club super easy. First, you'll need an Affirm account. Head over to Affirm's website, that's affirm.com, and sign up. The process is straightforward. You'll provide some basic info and link your bank account. Now browse the Sam's Club website or app and add those must-have items to your cart, whether it's furniture, electronics, or bulk groceries. When you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section here. You should see Affirm listed as a payment option. If you're using the Sam's Club app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Select Affirm. You'll be redirected to Affirm's secure site to choose your payment plan. Affirm will show you different monthly payment options, usually ranging from 3 to 12 months, with clearly displayed interest rates. Review the terms carefully. Once you're happy with the plan, confirm it with Affirm, and then your order will be processed at Sam's Club. That's it. You've successfully used Affirm to finance your Sam's Club purchase. Now you can enjoy your items while making manageable monthly payments. Be sure to always pay on time to avoid any late fees or negative impacts on your credit. Happy shopping!